how this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have an intelligent light for you guys, intelligent induction light. See, beautiful. You can charge this one, you don't need to connect with electricity, and whatever at your house you can do that. You can assemble. You see how beautiful pack here, more information is written. So let me take this off from the top. You see, here we go. You can see how beautiful it is. It came with a charging cable or data cable. You can see this is Teapot, so you can charge with any charger today, with your Apple charger and Samsung charger as well. Okay, here is a light. You see how beautiful, wooden Nordic style. You can say that Nordic style of light. Look as a wooden shape, although it's a plastic. Okay, here we have button. Here at the bottom you can see power on and off button, you can see, and also Teapot for charge. You can charge here, you can see, lovely. Okay, and most important, you can take this off. So here you have a sticker. This will go to your wall, wherever you want, in furniture, which place you want, you can assemble this one. This is sensor for me, I guess. So I put here this light. You see how it is. You have auto function, that means it will stop and on and off depend on the situation. Then you have off button, then you have on. On means it will be always on. In auto, it will read your sensor if somebody is walking, something as this, so the light will on. Very lovely. You can see here this, a good quantity of light, both side, both of the function. So it will work for at the night. If you want to put your living or reading or other purpose, you can use this light. Very beautiful. You can see here the body, this is sensor, something as this if I'm not wrong, and you can see the light very close, how shiny it is. Okay, lovely. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.